a picture on there. Abi na kong sikuan sa si Jenny ko. Ano na ang si Jenny din nasa black na kuan ko. Abi na ko si Jenny. Pareha wag ka nang ko no, tawa. Lahi ilagang kuan ang jacket. Ito ah. This bird. May pagidala na ako akong Darth Vader or ako ang Star Wars na kuan na.
Yeah. Libang ngiro, wala lang ka. Wala ka dito. Grabe no? Mga kuwaning bag yun sa pagbuhat sa Ginoong kalibutan. Dahil lahi ang klima. Kanya, mayroon pa sila science ni.
Yep, sorry, sir. No, it's okay.
Ang kanilang pagtagak sa isno, hindi na nimo makita yun sa pagkait. Kung ama nagi ka ng nitsura, tao, atay. Sa Ginoo na.
Kuan din siya brilliant, smart. Grabe yung pagka-bright. Okay. Every organism na ay purpose. Every animal, living things na ay purpose.
Is it-
From the smallest to the biggest.
Live here?
All living things. I'm talking
God.
about God.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
See, this nature is not created by human.
Like
Yeah, it's nature.
this pine tree, right?
It's created
Uh-huh.
by God.
Yeah.
This pine tree survive in the weather like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not science.
No.
That's nature. That's
Nature.
created by God.
Yeah, that's true.
You have tropical plants, you have winter plants.
Yeah.
And the birds. Look at the birds. They have small feeders, but they're better than human.
They survive.
They survive, right?
Yeah.
It's amazing. Mga na ang UFO. Wala na mo gilid pero sa UFO kaya pangka naman siya na gikuan na. Ipagawa sila sa gobyerno.
Ha?
Kung hugas mo kamot,
Yes.
kamot kabugnaw mo kamot.
So you didn't wash your hands when you pee-pee? There's a dryer, but the dryer is tissue paper to.
I got hand sanitizer in my car.
La la la